Welcome. Today, we've been reviewing some interesting material on it. It's really about, well, taking a moment to consider that whole internal world.
There's a certain quietness that settles sometimes, isn't there? A soft echo within. We have this reflection with us today. The psyche as an inner universe.
It really draws our attention inward, I think. We're so often looking out, at the external cosmos.
Right.
But there's this equally vast, maybe even more immediate universe residing inside each of us.
Think about our internal world, our memories, fears, longings, not just as fleeting thoughts, but as a whole universe. Just imagine that.
An entire inner universe.
Yeah. As expansive, maybe as mysterious as the galaxies we see, light years away.
And the metaphors it uses are quite striking. Memories as stars, for instance. Think about them. Some really bright and clear, others quite faint, distant. But like actual stars, even a tiny memory can have this sort of gravitational pull on us now.
And the darker parts, the idea of traumas as black holes, that's heavy.
It is. Powerful forces, right? Often unseen, but deeply affecting the whole landscape of our inner selves.
And dreams. They're like these rare comets that just streak across the inner sky, leaving behind a feeling of, well, something almost grasped.
Something just out of reach.
You do, don't you? All those internal stars you've gathered over the years.
You carry them all. And what I find particularly evocative is thinking about those unexplored parts. The mental landscapes where it is always night, places we might, instinctively avoid.
Yes, those hidden corners. But then there's that possibility, however small, of finding a faint, trembling light even there.
A forgotten lantern of the soul.
Yeah. It suggests that even in the darkest spots inside, there's maybe potential for rediscovery or understanding.
And this inner universe, it's not static, is it? It's constantly being reshaped by our experiences.
Like what?
Well, a kindness someone shows us, or a moment of real heartbreak. Maybe a dream that just doesn't happen. Each one leaves its mark. A quiet breathing in silence.
It does make you wonder if we spend maybe too much energy trying to navigate the external world.
When there's this whole inner cosmos waiting.
Right. What if we shifted just some of that focus inward to exploring our own inner space?
The telescopes of introspection, which sounds quite technical, but I think it just means, well, a gentle stillness.
Not analyzing everything apart.
No, more like just observing, watching what comes up inside us without immediate judgment.
And it even maps out some constellations, like Ursa Minor for childhood memories.
Yeah.
That's quite beautiful.
It is. Or the nebula of unspoken desires kind of swirling there. And the meteor belt representing times of fear. It gives things a place, a shape.
A way of mapping our inner lives, yeah.
And what's really compelling, I think, is that these things, the fears, the unspoken stuff, they aren't shown as flaws we need to fix. They're just integral, part of our own unique inner sky. They belong there.
It all seems to circle back to that core idea. The journey is not only outward.
It always begins within.
Such a simple statement, but it lands with this: quiet wait.
Perhaps the really profound journeys aren't across, oceans or space, but into the silent expanses inside ourselves.
So maybe, as the day goes on, just take a moment. Consider that inner universe that's uniquely yours.
Which constellations are brightest for you right now?
Yeah. Or what quiet corners might hold some undiscovered light. Doesn't have to be long, just a moment of stillness.
A breath of introspection.
It might just reveal more than you expect.
Thanks for listening.